Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore how Internet Protocol or IP plays a crucial role in our everyday internet activity. From browsing the web to streaming videos, IP is at the heart of it all. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about web browsing. Every time you type a URL into your browser like www.example.com, your computer uses the domain name system or DNS to translate that human readable address into an IP address. This allows your browser to locate and connect to the correct web server. For example, when you enter www.google.com, your computer contacts a DNS server which responds with Google's IP address. Your browser then uses the IP address to establish a connection and load the website. Now let's look at email. When you send an email, it's broken down into data packets, each containing the sender and recipient's IP addresses. These packets travel across the internet, hopping from one router to another until they reach the recipient's mail server. Once the packets arrive, the recipient's mail server reassembles them into the original email, which can then be accessed by the recipient. This process happens in seconds, thanks to the efficiency of IP. Another common use of IP is in video streaming. Services like Netflix, YouTube and Disney rely on IP to deliver video content to your device. When you select a video to watch, your device sends a request to the streaming service server using an IP address. The server then sends the video data back to your device in small chunks or packets. These packets are reassembled by your device into a continuous video stream, allowing you to watch your favorite show and movie seamlessly. IP is also essential for online gaming. When you play a multiplayer game, your device communicates with the game server and other players' devices using IP addresses. This ensures that game data like player movement and actions are accurately transmitted and synchronized in real time. Without IP, these online experiences wouldn't be possible. From web browsing to email, video streaming and gaming, IP is the backbone that keeps us connected and ensures that data travels efficiently across the internet. Next time you browse the web, send an email, watch a video or play a game, remember the crucial role that IP plays in making it possible. And that's it for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of how IP is used in our everyday internet activities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for more tech insights, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.